Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making orange creamsicle cookies. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 box of vanilla cake mix. I'm using French vanilla. A 3-ounce box of orange jello. 1 stick of butter at room temperature. 2 large eggs at room temperature. And 1 cup of white chocolate chips. Okay guys, I'm going to be using my stand mixer and we're going to use the whisk attachment. Okay guys, so I'm going to pour my cake mix in. Now I'm going to add in my orange jello. Now we're going to add in our eggs. I also added in my stick of butter. Now we're going to mix it for 1 to 2 minutes on medium-low. Okay guys, after 2 minutes, we're going to add in our cup of white chocolate chips. You just want to mix it until it's well combined. Just fold everything in. Now you want to line a baking sheet with parchment paper. We're going to use about 1.5 tablespoons of dough to make our cookies. We're going to roll them into a ball and you want to separate them 2 inches apart. Okay guys, you can set your oven to 350 degrees. And guys, it's easier to use rubber gloves and spray them with some non-stick cooking spray so you can roll your cookies. So now we're going to put them into our oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay guys, my first batch of cookies is done. So I'm going to let them cool off 5 to 10 minutes before I transfer them onto a wire rack to cool completely. Okay, I have my next batch ready to go in. Okay guys, so here we have it, our orange creamsicle cookies. I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. These are really good guys. They're nice and crispy on the outside and the inside is like soft and chewy. These are really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.